If you're building an AI right now and you obviously need to decide whether your intelligence lives at the edge or in the cloud, because that's a big architectural choice. You defining by deploying at the edge or in the cloud, you're defining your economics, your latency profile, your privacy posture, and your long-term defensibility. And cloud AI means inference happens in centralized data centers, typically on GPU clusters run by providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud with TPUs. And edge AI means inference happens locally on the device itself. And it's phones, laptops, industrials, machines, vehicles, or IoT, Internet of Things hardware. And the difference is gonna be mostly physical, because in the cloud AI, a user sends data to a remote server, the model processes it in the remote server, and the response is returned but in the edge AI, the model runs directly on the device, CPU, GPU, or NPU. And there are obviously some trade-offs. Cloud AI has advantages. It's the massive model size, large context windows, real-time access to updated data, and elastic scaling. So if you're running a 70 billion plus parameter model with long chain reasoning or cross document analysis, you do need cloud infrastructure, because there is simply not enough memory or thermal headroom on consumer devices to support that class of model. And also cloud AI enables centralized monitoring, logging, governance, and continuous updates, and all without user intervention. But cloud AI obviously has costs. Network latency, ongoing inference expense, data transfer risk, dependency on provider uptime, and pricing. Every API call costs money. And at a scale, inference economics dominate your margin when you're a startup founder.